Abhishek is the process very commonly known in the field of Tantra, in field of spirituality, wherein Guru provides his own energy which he has taken from the source, and therefore we can say that Guru provides source energy to the disciple, and so that all the karmas of the past of the disciple gets burnt and a new life starts. In Tantra, specifically in Kaul Tantra, there are 8 types of Abhishek. When a person is ready, the first Abhishek which is given is called Shakt Abhishek. Then when you get complete, another Abhishek is given, that is called Purna Abhishek. And after Purna Abhishek, if Guru decides that you have to serve to the people for some time because you have already taken a lot of debts from people, there are something called like social debts. So you have to remove those social debts and then not going on the right exact path, we go a little right, and there he gives you Gurutva Abhishek. But Gurutva Abhishek is not counted in those 8 Abhisheks. The third Abhishek, you again come back from Gurutva Abhishek and take Kram Abhishek. And after Kram Abhishek, there comes Rajya Abhishek. After Rajya Abhishek comes Samrajya Abhishek. And after Samrajya Abhishek comes Mahasamrajya Abhishek. And after Mahasamrajya Abhishek comes Atma Nirvana Abhishek. And after that comes Mahanirvana Abhishek. These are the 8 Abhishek which are prevalent in Tantra. And what does Abhishek means? Abhishek is a Sanskrit word, and in Sanskrit the beauty of language is that even in English it is being used like God, generator, observer and destroyer has become God. Similarly, Abhishek, it A plus B plus Se plus Ka. And A means Ahankar. What is Ahankar in English? It is called ego. So the energy provided by source through Guru, when it comes inside your heart with the process of Shaktipat or with the process of Sinchan, wherein Guru with the Amra Pallav puts some water on you, some purified water on you, and that purifies you. And what it does, it removes our ego. It removes our ego. Because as long as you are having ego with you, you will not be able to move towards completeness, and therefore all Abhishek will be carrying no meaning. So the first Abhishek itself, what Guru does, he provides you the energy of the source, and that source energy goes and has an effect on you, and that effect is that it removes your ego. Second is Bhi, Bha. What Bha does? B is for Bhiru, and that means Bhaya, and that means fear in English. Every human being which is born has either got fear or his call. Either he has a fear or he is crazy like call. And then when Abhishek takes place, in the first Abhishek itself, Guru removes your fear. So you start becoming fearless. And how Guru does it? He does it with say, with sinchan. And what is sinchan? He puts some water, energizes that water, and starts putting that water on you. And from water comes in Gange cha Jamune cha Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jale Asmin Sanidhim Kuru. From all the rivers, from all the tirthas, this water is being specifically brought for the purpose of Abhishek of the Shishya. So Abhishek says Sinchan, and he does that Sinchan on you, and when Sinchan is done, what you feel? You feel goosebumps. Kampanadi. Your body starts feeling vibrations immediately. And if your body doesn't start feeling immediately, that means there is something wrong in Abhishek. Abhishek, when it takes place, it tries to remove your ego, remove your fear, and it brings happiness to you. It brings happiness to you, and that happiness provides you goosebumps. That happiness provides you a unique vibration in you. And when you receive that unique vibration, maybe tears starts coming out. But remember, these tears are not the tears of sadness. They are the tears of happiness of being connected to source energy. They are tears of happiness. Tears are also of many types. Tears, they come out when you are very angry. They come out when you are very sad. And they also come out when you are very happy. Here, whatever the tears are coming out from you, they are tears of happiness. And you become extremely happy, close to bliss. Your eyes gets closed. You go in a situation, something like trance, and start experiencing some experiences which you have never experienced in your life. Love towards Guru starts flowing, love towards Source starts flowing, and ego of that I am something very special starts melting away, and you start thinking that I am one piece in the chain. Lot of people has done good work before me, and lot of people will do good work after me. I am doing my part as assigned by the Source, and there is nothing what should I be proud of, what I should have ego. And when this thing starts happening to you, after the Sinchan from Guru, then that process is called Abhishek, and there are 8 times, and if Guru makes you Guru also, then there are total 9 times you have to go through these Abhishek before you get liberated from this world. Thank you.